So, hi Manoj. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
I'm very
So,
excited to start my journey.
can you introduce yourself?
Hello, sir. I'm Venkata Manoj, currently studying my final year of engineering in IHA College of Engineering and Technology, sir. Although my background is from engineering, I'm very passionate about graphic designing and UI UX designing, sir. That's why I choose this field and entered the industry to learn about UI UX and graphic designing. So that's why and I thought PurpleLane is the right choice because you're easy to access, near us, and many more, sir. So I just thought maybe if I enter PurpleLane, I can gain some skill that is useful in my future and enter the software industry.
First of all, I really appreciate you that you got placed career karma, right? అసలు మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది పర్పుల్ లైన్ లో కోర్స్ తీసుకోవాలని
Thinking about it, taking a course in fourth year, I usually thought UI UX will be a best course of action.
Okay.
But when you and Santosh sir came to our college and explained how UI works, how you teach in the online classes or offline class, we are very excited. So basically, first of all, I don't have any interest, but I have a strong will to do anything to learn something new. So I just started out like, let's try this and see what happens. But my friend Gopal Krishna is very talented and is very enthusiastic about this course. I also started to follow him and joined the courses.
They're really nice. Coincidentally, your friend and you got placed at the same time. So, but fate is in a different way. Like you got placed in Hyderabad and your friend is got placed in Mysore. That's really good to know. So the overall experience at Purple Lane, you had joined, you had taken the course in online first of all, and then converted to internship and then come to offline course. So how you seen the difference for both online and offline?
Joining the online course at the beginning, I thought the mentor was very sweet and very patient. She used to explain number of times for even the small problem. We are very excited. So me and my friend Gopal Krishna thought we can try offline course. So we came to the 3 months internship here. When we came here, what we did in last 4 months did not count. Sir. Last 4 months of work is equal to 1 month of work in here. Sir. I completed all the assignments and learned many new things in graphic designing, Illustrator, Filmora, and many more, sir.
That's really good. Like so when compared to offline and online, which one you like the best and why?
The offline best, sir. Because I am a very lazy person. So someone has to be there who can check up on me from time to time.
You are in offline, so how is the mentors capabilities? Like how they have explained the course, how the entire process actually helps you to get placed?
First of all, when I came here, there was a junior mentor by him. He is such a lovely person, sir. He used to explain and force us to do more work in a nicest way possible. He used to force us to do more assignments. Come on, you can do it. He used to motivate us. Sir. And Vinay Kumar, a graphic designer mentor and a Figma mentor now. He is also very capable person in anything, sir. He used to explain minimal to minimum changes. He used to check up on me from starting to ending. When I said that, this, that, so many times I used to nag him. He didn't even feel one bit of angry or nothing, sir. He politely explains everything and patiently. He's very patient, sir. And then there came Prajume, sir. When he came to us, I can learn many things in Figma. I thought I saw the Figma in a new kind of perspective, sir. I really love the mentors and all.
That's nice words. At some point, like, do you really feel that this is the work course that you have made a good decision in your life? So how you feel about that?
Sir, I used to think designing is not my kind of expertise, so I used to neglect it. But I am very interested since the childhood, sir, because I used to like cartoons, cinemas, animes. So I want to work in any kind of the field like this or in some kind of designing field, so I can get a creative mind. When there is opportunity, I just grabbed it.
How many interviews you have been attended and how's the entire process actually happened for you?
Basically, this is my first interview, sir,
Okay,
and it also came from Naukri.
okay.
I just posted yesterday for a job appointment. I just randomly selected some graphic designer roles and applied for it.
So apart from the curriculum, like I mean, most of the students actually feel like, okay, I'm coming from a ECE or a CSC background or a mechanical background. I want to go to software industry. So the only way is like getting to software industry is like learning coding itself. So do you feel the same at the initial stage, or like you have been changed yourself? Like how you're feeling about that?
So first of all, I didn't know there was a course like software designers. I just thought maybe some coders will hire a random guy and do their work, but I didn't know there was a software designer who develops the UI phase, UX phase, and brand logo, brand color, and many more. Sir. But what I think now is that software designer is the best course, sir. And everyone around me knows a little bit who works in software, sir. When I start telling to my family or cousins, I'm doing UI UX course, they start encouraging me. Okay, do it. It has much scope now, like that, sir.
That's
Who are in the software field, they can grasp the
ideology and all.
in the graphic field, sir. But who are not don't know much about the software industry, they just think graphic design. What is that?
Yes, yes. So that's how they feel like, see, what happens in the outside part or outside world. So they know, so, okay, if you are a software engineer, which means they know only you are coding itself. So other than coding, they feel that, okay, you are not a software engineer, you are something else. So, but the idea is in software industry, there are n number of roles. Either it is a sales guy, marketing, management, and developers, testing, back end, front end, designers. So there are n number of roles in the software industries, but they don't know that these are everyone is going to be work on the same product itself. How's the intro preparation process actually helps you?
Sir, basically, when you know about yourself, you can tell about yourself, sir.
Yes.
So knowing yourself is the first priority, sir. I used to write lots of pages to know myself,
Hmm.
so I can tell more about myself in the interview. But interview only gives you 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes.
So you have to be crafty and creative about self-intro, sir.
So you said like this is the first company you haven't got the interview. So how many rounds has been happened and how the decision has been happened in how many days the decision has been?
They, they just WhatsApp me. They just said in the first call, "Hi, this is from so and so company." So then they WhatsApp texted me, sir, about the details. Just created a banner. That's all, sir. And they gave a website.
Okay.
Use this as reference. They said they didn't give me any dimension for this. I asked them what is the dimensions you need means. They said 1080 into 1080. So I worked on that, sir. First, I created a variety and sent them, sir, at evening. And I also made 2 or 3 similar types and I sent them at end of the day. They called me second time after when I sent the first design, sir. They asked me, can I relocate? Can you join immediately? I said, yes, sir. But I was a little hesitant about my exams within 2 months, sir.
Okay.
So I asked them for holidays. So they said, okay, no problem. We also have an internship, sir. You can do internship, and they closed the call with that, sir. And after 1 hour, I think so, they again called me, sir. They called me and asked me, you can work from home. But today morning, they messaged me, can you join us immediately? Means, yes, ma'am, I texted. So the HR of the company called me. When should I start? I asked her, sir. So she said, yeah, you can come on Monday. I will email you the offer letter.
So do you have any backlogs like or so like so how actually this UI course helps you to get placed and parallelly you have multiple friends you have and they are still actually looking for a job. So the how what's the advantage you have got from PurpleLane?
So many backlogs, sir. But I wrote the exams and cleared the half of them, sir.
Okay.
I was going to write the next subjects in next 2 months, sir. That's why I asked them for the holidays.
Yes.
But also, UX is the only I choose this because it is irrelevant to my subject, sir.
Yes.
If you have the skill, you'll get the job. That's what I thought and entered into this industry.
For your friends, what you want to give in advice? Like you want to go for a software industry, there is an option called UI UX also is there for you. You can choose this or like how you want to motivate them.
Don't want to give any advice, sir, but I only have 2 pieces of advice, sir. One is better improve your communication skills with so that you can impress interview style. Second is be creative in your graphic design, sir. That's all I can say, sir.
You want to tell me or like you want to ask me anything about the course or like how you enjoyed at Vizag office. So you can share any other things like you want to share.
I need to thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Because without you, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I just thought PurpleLane is like some other UI institute which came to promote the institute. I just thought like that, sir, at the first. But when I came here and started learning UI graphic designing, and many visual effects, sir, I just thought it is what this, sir. So thank you very much, sir, for giving me
Thank
this
you.
opportunity.
Thank you, Manoj. So that's it, Manoj. We really appreciate the efforts you have put in getting a job, and we hope you'll get a success in your life. So see you, Manoj. Any help, please let us know. We'll doing that. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Manoj. See you. All the best for future.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank